Cavemen, back outside once again. It's your boy Ghost, aka Joseph Gala. I got my co-host with me.
Shed Msungu, aka Milk. You already know, man. You already know.
Yeah, man. It's one of those nighttime episodes, right?
Bana.
Is that a full moon?
Yeah, it's full. Kutoka jana. Jana ndo ilikuwa the first full moon ya 2025. So yeah, it's cool.
That's dope, man. Yeah, man, ulikuwa nataka kuguzia like the shit I feel we should leave Bana for the times ahead. You know what I'm saying? I noticed a lot of people, raise kids and they tell them shit like, oh, get money, buy land. Hoard something. It's always a matter of hoarding something.
Hoarding something, yeah, true.
Like, I don't feel like that's right.
Yeah.
Grow up, play your role, man. Like work, actually just contribute to society. We don't do shit, don't do anything else. Because niggas are out here telling people, oh, buy land, get land. Bro, you're gonna be very fucking disappointed when it's 2030 and I'm in charge and the whole land belongs to the state.
Yeah.
Utakuwa very disappointed.
I believe tulisema hii kitu. Yeah, cause the only way to end history ya kuwa homeless ni state ku own land kibao. State ikuwe na control over easy my land.
We have our priorities messed up. When the society equals the environment, people should be telling kids to play their role, man. Fix this shit. Don't care about anything else. All that materialism shit, achana.
Najua mi usema ifai uko worried about housing, shelter. Hiyo ni kitu ilikuwa inafaa tukuwe tushatoa kwa hesabu. Tunajua kubuild, yeah. No. Weka uko na place umekewa hapo hivyo. Wewe kitu tuna expect tu ni wewe play role unafaa uko na play. Exactly. Shelter ifai kuwe concern. Because at the end of the day utakuwa hapo ndani sana.
Like, man, people should be out here trying to get this country to get back on its feet, bro.
Yeah, we actually need to sacrifice
push that potential, man.
Yeah.
To put it to a point where it can leverage us. CITO, we just now continue depleting everything that is left here under the sun, bana. You need.
At least to learn kupunguza hiyo greed. Hiyo system itokolea kupunguza hiyo greed, like msata kwa nataka more. At least kuna mali. Unajua tukiongeleanga equality inamaanisha tuko equal kwa certain places. Hapa kwa food kila mtu ana deserve kukula bana. Tuko equal hapo. Kila mtu anafaa kuwe na food.
Yeah, that's exactly what they mean by equality.
Yeah.
It's like, it's levitism tuko equal,
tuko too equal nazo.
This change.
Yeah, si wengine wako nazo wengine wana.
Yeah. Usiseme oh this and that.
Yeah. The basics, man, the basics na kila mtu anafaa kuwe nayo.
People become disassociated when things are so unequal like that.
Yeah.
It doesn't make sense. I feel like, that contributes to immorality, but it's kind of what gives birth to it, right? Like,
yeah, true.
People will in certain circumstances, because of that mentality, and so that's what they dwell in. These are the dark activities. I find, man. Me see why priorities are so fucked up. Motherfuckers should be focused on setting ourselves up for like global domination.
Yeah.
CITO. you're just hoarding the land in your own country, as if tutakutoa if you don't buy a piece of the land. Tutakwambia wewe unatupotezea.
You accumulate land, it makes sense,
It
man.
does it.
Yeah, just for one single person. Ati yeye tu ndiye ana own land, see, man. Hii kitu tuna share.
The land.
Na lazima kukuwe na rules hapa hivi venye kitu tutakaa hapa.
Nobody's like chasing you from the land. Calm down.
Yeah, hakuna mtu anakufukuza. You're here already. Hii shit ni yako, si ya mse mwingine. So mbona uishi maisha yenye ni kama si pali huko, si pali unafaa ukuwe.
Bana. It's some animalistic shit.
Yeah. Huko in a foreign land.
We have to develop like rapidly to go to a state where now you have to force people to develop.
Yeah.
It's not funny anymore. Like innovation, shit like that is what we should be focused on.
Yeah.
What we should be prioritizing. Sababu hiyo has clever ways that help the majority of humans.
Yeah.
That's the miracle right there. Sijui mbona wase wako focused on some bullshit. Man.
Yeah.
Because
so
we talk about wealth so much, but nobody really is creating it. Nobody knows how to create it in a way that really matters. Mse ataandisha biashara ni nigga will make money for himself, alafu aende on TV, wase wanataka kumu-interview. How'd you make that money, bro? It's like, nah, bro, that nigga a bitch, man. I don't want to hear about that asshole. Have to say D. Yeah, Linda to run it up for himself. Leave everything else under the bus, man. Yo, it doesn't make sense.
Yeah.
Yo, when we talk about wealth, that shit comes with like innovation.
yeah.
When everybody are equal in the way we were talking about, and everybody can contribute to that innovation,
Yeah.
like individuality, I'm saying I contribute to society. That's how wealth is created, bro. And trust me, we'll ball out.
Yeah.
We'll be truly equal.
Wase mtabora manze. Yenyewe hiyo innovation tuko down. Like unajua hadi unajua tukikuwa tuna innovate ingekuwa ina improve skills za wasee zenye wako nazo. So fast hakuna kitu tunajua, so skills lazima zitakuwa chini. That's why mtashinda mkicomplain. Mbona wa Kenya saa zingine wakitaka kuunda maybe shoes nini. Shoes bana wasoja take time yao tu kuunda good shoes. Shit too ni fucked up. Cause tutaki ku take time in that ku-innovate. To think si tunataka tu kutoa vitu cause we wanna make that money, we wanna get rich. But unasahau bana ni wewe mwenyewe unajitajirisha wewe solo. Na hiyo isaidie anyone.
Bana.
Kama tunatajirika wote yeah. Makes sense, but kani wewe solo bana isaidie anyone. Ni wewe tu na bado pia wewe ikusaidii.
Yeah, because if everybody around you is just broke as hell, what difference does it make?
Yeah, they'll end up robbing you.
Utarudi to square one.
Utachukua back your shit. They'll take your shit. Urudi palipia hao wako. Mtoshane, you feel me?
Now, honestly, like, it won't do anything. Like, we won't care about you. Like, ume waste tu time yako in our eyes. You just wasted yourself. Because it's like, yeah, man, you've acquired wealth. Because I'm not one of those guys trying to hang out with you because you're rich. Unajua pia, you have to realize that the real world isn't like that. Ukikutana na some jokers, that might be the case. Lakini the real world is not like that.
Yeah.
In reality, niggas are wase wanatafuta that practicality. Like, what is this motherfucker actually doing that's affecting me personally? And if it's only benefiting you, no matter how much money you've made, bro, you're a waste, man.
It's just you.
Hatuta kuangalia like, oh, sijui nini. Nah, bro. And trust me, your life will just feel like any other broke bastard.
True.
That shit, I let you any encouraging wisdom to you. People think money in Akuletea like encouraging words from God or something.
Nah.
What kind of devilish thoughts are those, man? What kind of demonic mentality is that? Money doesn't say anything to you. It just gives you access to more things.
Yeah.
Nakama wewe, that money, it kind of reflects you. If it never helped anybody else but you, nothing you're even gonna buy with that money is gonna help anyone again.
True.
Because if you're just that type of person, you're just that type of person from beginning to end, from top to bottom.
Yeah.
That's so known as a lot of rappers. Msata don't know like 25 cars and then what?
Yeah, alafu.
Unatuonesha tu like.
Hadi vile umesema rappers. Wasi wanasemanga ati Natis anafaa kuwa hivyo. But mi na deny.
Unatuonesha hadi venye ujui kuacquire resources.
Yeah. Zii. Hadi safaa kuwe hivyo. Hadi safaa tu wakuwe themselves. Yo imejaa maduanzi wameweka unabuy 25 cars. 30 cars, it makes sense.
How is an artist supposed to be like that?
Yeah.
Unasema nini first of all?
With my chain, nini.
Wewe unapata access to gain more resources and shit. Alafu unanunua 25 cars, bro. Really, my nigga? It's not even me, like, I'm not looking at it as, you spend a lot of money. I'm looking at it like, bona, why? Why do that? You know, it's like, unajua it's unnecessary. Why fucking do that? Because hadi hapo hujatumia do vizuri, honestly.
Yeah.
I don't know why rules change for people who make a lot of money. It's like, why is that guy allowed to spend the money we buy?
Yeah, but tunaacha hiyo kitu ina happen.
Cause you know it leaves a greater impact because this nigga's literally starving in the world.
Yeah.
Your choice is gonna be 25 cars. But wewe ati hiyo ndio yako kitumia kununua fegi pale ni shit. Tuache bwana. Some guy just dropped I don't know how many millions. Dude.
Yeah. Mimi naonanga ukianza kujoin the rich inamaanisha umeanza kufeed a larger.
Yeah.
Umeanza kuoccupy a larger space, so una feed a larger group of people.
Ama you invest more.
Yeah.
Like more companies get more money, Sasa.
Yeah.
Depending on which citizenship of a nation you have.
Yeah.
Hizo companies and nchi yako sasa inafaa to get more money. Wase wanajua funding's coming through. One of our niggas just came up.
Yeah.
Tunaweza endelea na research tupige
Endelea kume research bado ni possible, tunaweza endelea na hivyo. That's how I see it. Nimeiweka nikaa
hapo, that's when we
the poor ndo wanafaa kuwa na feed everything.
That's when we can even celebrate your wealth. It can be like, yeah, man, that nigga balling for real, for sure.
You know, ni msoa 25 cars, tutadu it.
Yeah, itasaidia.
Umeacquire land alafu. Umebuy land, okay. Sawa, umebuy land alafu. I do shit. Ni land itakuwa tu hapo. Si tumesema hiyo land umebuy. Wacha uweke hapo chuo. Waswa hii area. Wacha niweke hapa chuo moja yenye iko na facilities moja deadly.
Si ndio?
Yeah.
Si ati we just have some guy. Unajua
si una buy tu land alafu.
Buying anything for no reason, it just puts you in a bad position. Hadi community wise, unajua niggas are gonna come visit me and shit.
Yeah, alafu unajua ni crazy. unapata wasa wanabai hivyo land. Alafu anaacha tu inamea nyasi.
Yeah, for real.
Inamea tu nyasi. What the fuck?
I think then I'm advised to become like that guy.
Yeah.
Ameacha tu land. I think that's why I roll on it. Quite serious.
Fucked up, man. Fucked up. Yeah, man.
Some guy comes visits me, I have to explain to him that some guy in our community I got 25 cars for no reason. Najua watu wana starve huku nje. Hiyo ni look gani man.
Yeah. He fucked up.
If a nigga gets rich, na tukiona he can't handle his money properly, it should be taken from him by force, at least some amount.
Yeah, some amount. Kukuwe na at
good
least
cause.
accountability mahali. Ndo wase wakuwe serious.
Wase wanaweza sema, oh, that's basically what tax money is. Nah. I mean that amount, like, inafaa ichukuliwe sasa to a point where it's only enough for him to survive.
Yeah. Juu hatuwezi taka tu kuona unabuy 25 cars. Unakuwa na uko sawa, unaweza survive. Sasa hiyo ndo tufanyie something that tunadai kufanyia.
Because pia, I can't say that's a crime. Hatuwezi hata kupeleka la koti juu ya hiyo story.
Yeah.
You're looking at jail time.
No.
I just take it to you by force. That's the best lesson for that. Like, usitumie money vibaya, tumia responsibly. Bro, there's kids watching you. A lot of these rappers are gonna kids, man.
Yeah.
Oh no, there's not a talk at you just buying 25 cars.
Yeah, nah, man.
Bro.
Yeah, man, I feel like we only enough going.
Yeah, man. Niggas are gonna say like I'm hating and shit. And yeah, I'm hating. I'm a hater. Fuck you,
Yeah,
niggas.
fuck them, man. Fuck you niggas, man. Just to hate, fuck you niggas. Aye.
It is what it is, man.
Kwa tu vile itakuwa, man. Yeah, mazee msisahau, man. It's the cavemen. #no voting 2027 unless it's us. And the only road you should be on is the road to independence. Peace. 30 minutes.